There's something a wee bit different. Car key. Vauxhall. There's our own one. It's all smashed up. Looking to replace it. New casing. We cheap one off Amazon. You can apply these here to buy it. Replace the key itself. Quite a bit of money. So this here is just a cheaper alternative. Just a wee copy casing. Quick swap over and hopefully it should get us up and running again. That's that. Now these ones here are genuine or quite stuff. At least mine is anyway. Yeah, that's as stuff as anything. I don't know if this has been glued or what. But it ain't just pulling apart. Sort of just assumed it would. Yeah. That has been glued. I just want the blade and the circuit board. I just want to replace the cover. That's all I want to do. Cut all that trim away. Peel all that back. Hopefully. Now it's moving. Still tight though. Careful you don't bend the green circuit board. Only want to prise up the top cover. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. There we go. That's what we want. So don't do that. So they are the same. They fit up perfectly, match up perfectly, so they do. I don't need that. So that's been this one. I keep the better spring. Yeah, so the original spring's out better. So leave the old one. Don't want the blade. Don't need the case. All I need now. There's another problem there, look. That was broken as well. It's the push release. So I'll use the new push release from this one. Yeah, these don't match up exactly right. That's my one there. That's the new one. Doesn't sit on correctly. So this hole here is different from this one. To get around that, you would have to use the original. The problem with the original, that doesn't line up with these holes on the cover. So that's no good either. Other way to get around it, this is the blank key. We push in or press roll pin on the two of these, press out the roll pin and change the actual blade itself. Very, very delicately punch that roll pin out. I used a, I don't know if it's a 2 or a 1.5 mil drill bit. This is a very, very fine roll pin. That's that blade on the old holder. That's the new blade on the new holder. So hopefully they, yep, line up. And press on your roll pin again. Hold them two together. Now, one blade changed. Put on the new pin. Going to use the old spring because it's just a lot stronger. Slides onto there. Just one turn. I'm going to go with 2 turns. I don't know if that'll be enough. Yeah, seems strong enough. Go with 2. And then press this all together. Yeah. Don't know if you'll get away with a 3rd turn on that or not, to make it more springy, but that'll do for me. Reinstall your battery. Put your cover back on again. One fixed key. With the original program board for my car and the original cut key. Sweet. That's one wee job done. Keep the wife happy.